Hi, Jonathan Hanford from Fine & Country, and I'm here today in Warwick in Warwickshire. Immediately behind me is Warwick Castle. Warwick Castle's journey dates back to 1066 when William the Conqueror won the Battle of Hastings. On his way back, he headed north to deal with a rebellion in the Northern Territories in 1068. On his way, he built a number of fortifications. They were Motte and Bailey wooden castles, and Warwick Castle was first born. The road that we're walking along now is Mill Street. It's synonymous with the town's history and character. Immediately at the back of these beautiful houses is the River Avon and also Warwick Boat and Tennis Club. Today, we're putting onto the market number 18 Mill Street, a beautiful 5-bedroom townhouse. It's got 4 receptions and the current owners have undertaken a significant renovation project. Come inside and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. The design of the property now has a beautiful circular flow around the ground floor space, enabling modern practical family living in an old traditional property that has still retained its original charm. The large open plan kitchen diner was designed and fitted by the famous local craftsman Christopher Peters and incorporates an island unit, dining area and Aga. The first floor has landing with staircase rising from the hallway and doors leading through to the main bedroom, with Juliet's balcony over the rear garden and 3-piece ensuite. Second bedroom with adjoining study or nursery, and third bedroom and 3-piece family bathroom. There are 2 further staircases rising to the top floor. The first staircase rises to a second floor landing with doors leading to 2 further bedrooms, taking the total to 5. Both inside and outside, the original features and character of the property is evident. The enclosed private rear garden has been landscaped by the current owners and now offers 2 sun terraces and raised lawn. It's rare that a property like this comes to market, so this is a pretty unique opportunity. If you'd like more information or to book a viewing, please contact me on my mobile on 07813 787 474. Thanks for watching, have a great day.